Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Eden Garden Project. Today I'm gonna tell you why is gardening is so important. So make sure you do like this video, subscribe to the channel. Alright? Okay, let's go. Okay, so why is gardening so important is because in the future we will be having not enough food, not enough drink or whatever like that, so we grow a garden so we can get our own food. Alright, so that's why we get these quails, like these quails, chicken and plants, so we can eat them in the future after it grow. Alright, so if you are interested in gardening or you don't want to eat insects or something like that, then you should start gardening. Alright, just keep on following this, just subscribe to this channel, then we'll tell you how to do gardening, start and finish it and eat it or cook it, whatever. We'll teach you how to do it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are interested in gardening. See you in the next video.